Hello, UOB Kahan clients and friends. Well, I had really thought that there was going to be a meaningful pullback in the U.S. stock market. But no, since I spoke to you last week, the S&P 500 is up 2.3%. That means it's just about 2% away from an all-time high. And leading the charge has been Google parent Alphabet. Alphabet shares are up 13.7% since November 18th. That means its market cap is now larger than Microsoft's. So Alphabet is now the third most valuable company in the world after Nvidia and Apple. What led to that surge in price of Alphabet shares? The first piece of good news was that a very respected organization that evaluates AI, large language models, rated Gemini as superior to OpenAI's ChatGPT in 4 out of 5 categories, basically saying that Gemini is the best LLM in the world. The second thing was that Alphabet said that their new version of Gemini was trained on chips that Alphabet had designed themselves. And then finally, as a validation that they have designed very good chips for training AI, Meta announced this week that it was buying some of those Alphabet designed AI chips in order to train their AI products. So this really was good news for Alphabet. The reason it's so important to be the first company to create artificial general intelligence is that the transition time from AGI to artificial superintelligence is expected to be very, very short, like a month. And once you have artificial superintelligence, let's say a company like Alphabet that already knows something about designing chips could quickly go to their artificial superintelligent program and say, design me a whole suite of chips that are better than anything that Nvidia makes. It could go to the artificial superintelligence and maybe ask it to cure cancer or come up with all kinds of interesting medical therapies that could just destroy, that could just revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry and destroy its competitors. So the profitability of being the first to get the artificial superintelligence is enormous, and that's why it's such a big goal. So the way I'm describing things here is a little bit of like a winner-take-all scenario. And right now, the stock market doesn't really buy into that 100%. But what it does buy into is that it's very important to be the leader in development of AI. So what you had is Gemini, which originally was something of a laughing stock, immediately has now become the leader. And as it became the leader, we've seen Alphabet's share price this year is up 70%. And we have a fairly long period of time before AGI is achieved. So most people in Silicon Valley guess around 4 years, but some people say it'll take 15 years. During that period of time, maybe other firms will make an advancement and show that they have the potential to do it. So as the market monitors this thing, you'll have different companies' shares go up, different companies' shares go down, but there won't be this sort of winner-take-all view among stock market investors.